If you are new to the world of recreation vehicles and would like to know the basic differences between Class A, B, and C motorhomes, then this short video is a great place to start. There are 3 types or classes of motorhomes. Between all 3 classes, there are unique differences that allow each class to stand out. If you are in the market for a motorhome, then these differences will help you decide which vehicle might be the best option for your lifestyle or budget. Here we have all 3 RV motorhome classes parked next to each other to illustrate their size differences. In order of A, B, C, on the far right is a Class A, followed by a Class B on the left, and in the middle is a Class C. Class B. Starting with the smallest in the RV lineup is the Class B. Built on a van chassis, these motorhomes are sometimes referred to as camping vans, conversion vans, or touring vans. Class Bs have a raised roof and are tall enough for passengers to stand up and walk around. They range from 16 to 22 feet, and although many floor plans accommodate sleeping up to 4, Class B motorhomes are better suited for 2 people. Inside a Class B, amenities are small and efficient. You have a small galley, a bedroom or sleeping area, and bathroom with a combined toilet and shower, which is commonly referred to as a wet bath. Class B motorhomes are small, nimble, and the easiest to maneuver. They drive like a car, and because they are not oversized, they are easy to park in parking lots or on city streets. In fact, with a Class B, you could park and sleep just about anywhere without drawing attention to the fact that you're in an RV. These RVs are the most fuel efficient of all motorhome classes. To summarize the Class B, keep in mind that they are the smallest of the RV motorhome classes, built on a van chassis. They are agile, easy to drive and park on city streets. They have small and compact amenities, ideally suited for 2 people, do not look like a typical RV, and they are the most fuel efficient. Class C. Class C motorhomes are medium-sized and are built on cutaway or modified pickup truck chassis. It will have the original cab, but with a wider, built-out body, sometimes referred to as a cab-over motorhome. A distinguishing feature of the Class C motorhome is the overhang, an additional sleeping area that hangs out over the cab. These RVs can range from 21 to 35 feet and can typically sleep up to 8. Class C motorhomes, depending on size, are fairly easy to drive and can be compared to driving a large moving van or truck. With a more powerful engine and stronger chassis than a Class B, these motorhomes are ideal for towing a small car or boat. With various floor plans to better suit your needs, the increase in size allows for a more comfortable living space and amenities such as larger-sized galleys, separate dining and sleeping areas, and larger tanks for propane, water, and waste. The bathroom size is larger in a Class C, with the shower often separate from the toilet. The increase in size allows for a more comfortable interior space, but it reduces the ability to park in parking lots or city streets with limited parking options. The additional weight of these motorhomes also reduces fuel efficiency. To summarize the Class C, they are built on a cutout or modified pickup truck chassis, recognizable for the cab overhang, typically sleep up to 8. They have a larger overall living space. You have the ability to tow a small car or boat. Due to weight, they have reduced fuel efficiency. Class A. The Class A is the largest and most luxurious classification of motorhome. Built on a heavy-duty, specialized chassis, these gas or diesel pusher motorhomes are not only roomy, they are also very powerful. As can be expected, a motorhome this size has the lowest fuel efficiency rating of all RV classes. Owning a Class A motorhome is like owning a very nice home, but on wheels. These motorhomes can be as long as 45 feet, typically sleep up to 6, and with multiple slide-outs can expand to a width of around 14 feet. With top-end amenities, a Class A is the most expensive motorhome to purchase and operate. Class A motorhomes have a larger kitchen, often with a convection oven and a full-size residential refrigerator. There is a spacious master bedroom and often 2 bathrooms, a living area, increased storage options, and the largest water, waste, and propane tanks. To summarize the Class A, they are the largest of the classes, with some up to 45 feet, built on a specialized commercial-sized chassis. They are the most luxurious and feels most like home. They have a full-size galley and living areas. They typically sleep up to 6 people. They are the most expensive. They are very powerful and have the least fuel efficiency of all the classes. Hopefully, this guide has served as your starting point and helped you determine which class motorhome might be right for you. Whatever your needs or tastes, welcome to the recreational vehicle lifestyle. Happy trails!